Hey, so I'm here cleaning my 4-year-old's ear for the first time with this device. And um, if you haven't used this device before, this ear cleaning device, I have to say it's kind of difficult to use the first time. I was having a hard time seeing through the camera and then trying to figure out where my hand was. So I think it's just a learning curve with the hand-eye coordination. Um, so yeah, so there I am struggling. Not really trying. I really couldn't even tell where I was at. And this device is probably better for adult ears because I have used it on my husband, which I posted, and and it also has been good on my 7-year-old, which I wish I would have recorded because I had gotten some really good ones. But this is my 4-year-old, and he has really tiny ears. So yeah, y'all can just watch me struggle along. I like that this tool comes with these silicone earpieces. Um, Makes it a lot softer on the ears. I feel like this has gotten my ears way cleaner than a Q-tip. So I am enjoying this product. But it's just going to be a learning curve. Trying to use it on other people. My toddler also kept moving a lot, so I was kind of struggling trying to get this out with him moving at the same time. And I got it. Yes. I think told him. Oh, wait, no, I think I went right back in there once more just to look around. I mean, there really was only like one big one, and yeah, and that little bit right there. There you go. Yes. Got it out. Maybe he'll start listening. And then I think we're switching ears now. Yes. Switching sides. I didn't see too much in there, but that little piece right there. At this point, he was fighting me to go. He didn't want to do it anymore. I was like, let me get back in there one more time. Let me just see. Yep, I see him. Yeah, he was fighting me. And we got it. Whew, just barely. We got it. Mission accomplished.
Mom, I got her haircut.
All done.
Look.
Thank you for watching.